Have you ever seen cool electronics projects online and wondered what's this thing called Arduino that everyone is using? In this video, I will teach you what Arduino is and how it works. Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on a small programmable circuit board. The most common one for beginners is called the Arduino UNO. Other boards are the Arduino Nano, Arduino Pro Mini, and other Arduino development boards. With Arduino, you can connect inputs like sensors and buttons and control outputs like LEDs, motors, or displays. Here is a gas leakage detector project that senses gas and turns on an LED. We also have the temperature controlled fan, and it's all running on the Arduino development board. So Arduino is like a simple brain that follows the instructions you give it. To use Arduino, you write code on your computer using the Arduino IDE. This code is called a sketch, and in every program there are two main functions. The functions are the void loop and the void setup. The void setup is the function where your code runs once when the Arduino board is powered. Then the void loop is where the code runs forever, reacting to signal from the input or a change of state in your program. And then you upload it to the Arduino board using a USB cable. As you can see, the cable connected to my laptop. For instance, this code tells the Arduino to blink an LED every 1 second, and you can see how we declare the LED as an output pin in the void setup. And in the void loop, where we get to run the code forever, that is where we get to tell the LED to be on for some time and to be off for some time. And here is the upload, and once it's done uploading, here is the final result. Our onboard LED, which is the inbuilt LED, is blinking. Still on the LED blinking, here is another code where I reduce the initial time of 1000 milliseconds to 200 milliseconds to ensure that the LED blinks faster. And also I included an external LED to that same pin so that we can see how we work with output devices alongside the Arduino UNO. Now you see both the onboard LED blinking and an external LED blinking on a breadboard. So this is how to work with Arduino popular. It is affordable, it is beginner friendly, supported by a huge community, and it's easy to program, and it's perfect for students and professionals. You don't need to be an engineer to get started. Even with just a few components, you can build amazing projects. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more beginner friendly tutorials. If you have any question or project ideas, drop it in the comment section below and I would love to help. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and bye bye.